If you thought that everything good at the Nordstrom anniversary sale was sold out, think again. I went back through the whole site and I found our bestsellers that are still very well, if not fully in stock. Plus, I found a few absolute steals that I completely overlooked, or Nordstrom may have sneakily snuck a few later items in towards the end. The sale ends August 9th, prices go back up August 10th, so let's dive in on what is still worth buying from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. Welcome back, my friends. We are not quite done with the Nordstrom anniversary sale. We are heading into the last weekend and we are going to finish strong. So let's start off with the best sellers that you all picked. And I know this because I went and looked at my Nordstrom analytics. These were the top selling items that are still in stock. And honestly, it doesn't even need that qualifier. These were the best selling items and they are still in stock. And I have a few more recommendations in beauty, in clothing, accessories, and one home find that I either overlooked when I was combing through the thousands of pages of items to be found, or Nordstrom has this habit of sneaking things in after they've already released the whole catalog. So I'm glad we have one last chance to catch up. Are you ready? Let's talk about the best sellers first. Let's start off with a shoe. This is from Steve Madden. It is a loafer and a mule. Probably why it hit the top of the bestseller list, because you can wear it now and you can wear it later. I got it in the taupe, which is fully stocked, and then there's a more tan caramel sort of brown color, also fully stocked. Am I tempted to go back and buy the other one? I kind of am. Next is what's on my face. I'll pop in a picture of it over here. It's the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow palette and it comes with an eyeliner as well. I've been wearing the heck out of this thing ever since I picked it up all through July. It's just so easy. It's lightweight. It gives a nice shimmer to the lids. I think it is a really easy way to add some light to the face, and I think it works exceptionally well for over 50 faces, which I think a lot of them are looking at my screen right now. It has two satin shades that are more of a contour, and then I believe it's 4 shimmers. Just a note, I've mentioned this before, but I want you to go in knowing all the things. This is a very cool toned palette. I prefer cool tones now on me, but even so, I felt it needed a little more warmth, so I took my bronzer and I put that in the crease and then did my usual eye makeup. This shirt dress, not surprising that it was a bestseller, still fully in stock, all the sizes, both colors. I got it in the blue mixed paisley. There's also a rust mixed paisley. Even my in-store shopping experience, as I was ringing out with this, or ringing up, I should say, this purchase, people were stopping me and asking me where they could find it for themselves. Very, very popular, and I cannot wait to wear this to upcoming events in September and October. Let's talk about this shirt. This is a Rails snap up shirt. So love that it's not buttons, love that it snaps instead. This is not the hunter plaid shirt that I get every single year. This is a different model. It's a shorter length, so you don't have to tuck it in, and I like how it lays over a pair of jeans. Right now it's laying very nicely over a pair of pajama bottoms, but you don't need to see that. It's really lightweight, so you really could wear it now and you would feel just fine in the heat. I love that it gives those of us who live in a warmer climate the opportunity to look like we're wearing flannel, even though this is very, very lightweight. And I do like to size up 1 on this because I do feel it runs a little narrow in the shoulders, and I like having a little more room in the bust as well. And then the last of the best sellers that are still fully stocked is this Zella Longline quilted jacket. I picked mine up in the plum. The grayish taupe off-white color has the least amount of sizes available, but the plum and the black look to be fully stocked at the time that I am filming this. This has been a bestseller for Nordstrom year over year. This is the first year that I bought it myself and shared it with all of you, and it quickly became a bestseller amongst our little community here as well. And if you are one of the, I think it's now thousands of people who used my link to purchase this, let me know what color you got and what you think of it. Now let's talk about some things that are still up for grabs, still at the sale prices that I definitely think are worth another look. These were not in the beauty department when I made my recommendations, and we are talking about the slip skinny scrunchies. I love these. This is what I sleep in every night. I pull my hair back and I put them in one of these silk scrunchies. I cannot sleep with my hair down. I don't like the feeling of stuff touching my all over, and it gets in my face and I get hot. These are fantastic. I love them. The current pack that is available is half black and half sort of blonde tone. I don't care what color it is because I don't leave the house in them, but I just wanted you to be aware they are available. They're a great price. I think they'd make a great stocking stuffer too. Now, BK Beauty is celebrating their 7th anniversary on their own website with up to, I believe, 40% off site-wide. However, the deal on the Angie Hot and Flashy 7-piece set is better on the Nordstrom site during the anniversary sale than it is on the BK Beauty site. So if you were specifically looking for the Angie Hot and Flashy 7-piece set, which includes the beloved sort of kitten paw concealer brush, love this for so many things, but I actually just used this to brush off a little bit of mascara that I'd gotten on my lower eye here, and then kind of to pat in among my smile lines so that I look a little less wrinkly for y'all. Great set. Angie absolutely knew what she was doing when she designed these brushes, and you can get them at a really good price right now. Also, we must speak about the Olaplex Duo. This is the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil. This is the full size, and this is the travel size, and it comes together in a nice little set for $62. It is usually $80 if you bought these separately. So great deal, and I get gifted a ton of hair products. I really don't ever need to buy any hair products if I just wanted to work my way through everything that is, if not gifted to me, offered to me. I usually turn them down. I mean, it gets wasteful if I'm not gonna use it. I have bought these now twice. That is how much I love this and how much I use this. Olaplex has very quickly jumped to the top of my favorite brands for hair care. And then of course, I mentioned this, but it's still available, and it's my most used lip products, and it's a duo. It's the YSL No. 44 Nude Lavalier in their lip plumping oil, which really isn't plumping. Do not let that scare you away. It does not make your lips feel spicy or tingly or hot. And then the coordinating Loveshine lipstick. That's not what I have on right now. What I have on right now is another buy from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. It was the Westman Atelier Lip Kit, which I believe is still available. And I'm not wearing the lip liner, but I'm wearing the lipstick and the lip gloss that came in that set. Now let's talk about a few of the clothing pieces that I am very excited to share. Most of these are not something I've recommended from my previous videos. But before I get to that, do you remember this cardigan? I love this. I loved it so much. It sold out very quickly. I did get it, but I bought it in the wrong size. And I mean, it was just too small. I did not know Ralph Lauren runs small. I know that now. Went to exchange it and they're like, sorry, no deal. It's sold out in all the sizes. Okay, well, oh look, the sun is coming out as I'm sharing this story. Well, when I went to look for the bestsellers, this was a bestseller, one of the top 5, but it was sold out, except there was one size small left. That's what it said on the screen. One size small, one available. That's the size that I was hoping to exchange for. So I placed my order immediately. As I'm filming this, I placed it this morning. It allegedly has gone through, but you know how Nordstrom works. So I'm hoping that someone else also didn't try to snatch it up at the same time. And I will let you know, 1, if I get it, and 2, if the size up actually works for me. Now, let's get to the clothing that is definitely still available. My number 2 bestseller, this is the Caslon V-neck cotton modal tee. It is such a great price point at full price. At 40% off, it's $15.99. You cannot pass this up. It's such a great quality. It's cotton modal blend. It's very lightweight. I've shared about this a ton, but here's the thing. Now is the time to stock up. So if you got it in white, get a backup in white. You can never have too many white tees. Grab it in black. Grab it in all the neutral colors that you think you might want to wear. Maybe you need the fall t-shirt collection in the more muted colors. They have those. $15.99. Get a handful of them. Now for something I did not know about, but I do now, and I want you to know about it too. Another Caslon find. This is a wool and cashmere sweater. All natural fibers for $65. Now it is a short sleeve, so this works for my friends like myself who fall as a concept, not a reality. You can wear this in September, October because it's short sleeved and it's that cashmere wool blend. You actually will not get too hot. You can wear it in the wintertime layered under something else as well. $65. For wool and cashmere. I'm so excited. And sticking with that concept, another Caslon sweater I wish I had known about. This one is a bell sleeve mock neck, and this is a wool and cotton blend sweater. There are 3 striped options and 3 solid options. Again, $65, an amazing find. You have been screaming, begging for natural fiber products. I just found a handful for you and I am so excited about this price point. And then the last piece of clothing that I want to recommend is this Petal and Pup halter neck tiered dress. I personally own this in navy and silver. I wear this to weddings, to cocktail parties. It's such a great piece. As long as you're comfortable showing off your arms, I think the collarbone and shoulders are some of the sexiest parts of a woman's body. And then the tiers actually hide any lumps or bumps that you might be a little self-conscious about. You do need a strapless bra with this one, or a very specific halter bra. I just want to let you know about this. For the Nordstrom sale, it comes in navy and then this beautiful sort of hot pink color that I think would be a lot of fun as well. Now let's talk about a few accessories, not a ton. There are a lot of other things that are still available, and I will link to my full list of recommendations down in the description box, but let's just keep this focused. So first off, I did share this shoe earlier. This is one from Open Edit, which is another Nordstrom house brand. It's a very easy to walk in shoe. It's a 2 3/4 inch. It really is quite stable, very, very comfortable, nice cushy insole. I got it in the chocolate suede. There are, I think, 1 or 2 other suede options and then 1 or 2 mesh kind of options, especially one that is actually this color, very pretty fall color. This shoe is $45 right now. Unbelievable. So snatch it up. I think it's pretty much fully stocked in all of the options. And if you've already purchased it, would love to know which color did you settle on. Then this shoe I've been admiring. I believe it's Lisa J Makeup has this pair of shoes and I keep meaning to buy it and then I forget and I get distracted. I might have to snatch it up now. It's the Rothy's Double Bit Driver. So it's basically a loafer / moccasin sort of deal. In the famous Rothy's fabric, it comes in 2 solids and then a herringbone and I believe it's a leopard print. Very cool for fall. Rothy's are just very comfortable. They're a washable knit. You can throw the shoe in the washing machine, which I really appreciate. And it's a really good price for what it normally is, which is almost $200. Right now, it's about $130. The last accessory I want to recommend is the least sexy or exciting thing I think I could possibly recommend, but it's something you're gonna reach for all the time, and it's socks. Specifically, the Bombas Crew socks. It's a pack of 3. They're more muted tones. I'm not recommending the ankle socks, even though I love the ankle socks because I didn't love the colors. If you're gonna see the socks, I want them to be white for the most part. However, these are what I throw on underneath boots and booties, where usually my pants come all the way down over the shoe, so the color of the sock does not matter quite as much. Bombas socks, for whatever weird reason, are exceptional. They are so much better than every other sock and they are priced accordingly. So if you can snatch them up on sale, they're $34 for 3 instead of $45. It's not a huge price break, but it's something. And come cold weather, you will be very happy that you have these. And then the final recommendation actually came to me by way of my younger son, who, when I was hanging out with him in his apartment this weekend, mentioned his air fryer, and somehow I realized that it was part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So he has the Our Place large air fryer. There's a smaller one and then there's the larger one that's in the sale. He loves this thing. He doesn't even use the oven that is in his apartment kitchen. He loves it. You can fit, I think it's 30 quarts, 30 liters. It's big. It's very, very big. It is actually, I believe, one of the only, if not, well, no, because I have a stainless steel one, but it is one of the only fully non-toxic air fryers. It has none of the forever chemicals, none of the PFAS, non-stick stuff. It's stainless steel interior, has, I believe, 8 functions, and it's on sale for $242. Normally it's $325. And what's great for him is it takes the place of a whole bunch of other appliances. He uses this as his toaster. He uses it to reheat things. I guess that would be an oven, but he loves it. And I know there's a lot of people watching that have kids going off into their first college apartment, and this is a bit of a splurge, but this is a really nice thing to set up for someone who's getting into an apartment, or maybe you're an empty nester getting into that phase and you don't want to heat up the big wall oven. We love the air fryers, and this one is a great one. So that, my friends, is just a smidge. I didn't want to overwhelm you of the best sellers that are still available. deals, some things I didn't mention earlier, and a few favorites that I really think are worth looking at. I am officially done with my Nordstrom anniversary sale content. I will have a video coming up with viewer favorites. In fact, that is the next video plan that talks about the best sellers from July. Of course, there will be Nordstrom in there, but it's just one of lots of other retailers that I'll be talking about. So if you want to find out what everyone else was buying last month, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you had fun. Happy shopping. We're in the last days, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.